Gold has started the week on a bullish note. It has now achieved 2070 levels. Now, new year, new beginning, new week. What to expect from gold today? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. And I wish you and your family a very, very happy new year. Do become a member in this new year of this channel and support the effort. With that, let's start first to look into hourly. Look at the hourly charts here. See, first of all, gold was trading within this bearish channel so far, and it has just come out of the bearish channel, trying to rise, trying to look upwards. Once it stays above 2072 levels, possibly beyond this, we can look forward to see 2072, 2075. This is the zone we should watch out for more closely, how it behaves in around 2072.5, 2075 levels. Certainly greater resistance can be expected. It is only about 2075 we can expect that prices are trying to reverse. Now see what is happening right now. Rise, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Lower highs, lower lows are consistently seen. Thus, only and only if prices stays above 75 and then 80 levels, you can say that we are looking forward to a reversal. Also, if you look at on the hourly charts, we can see the 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over. Certainly a bearish sign here. But now both moving averages have started to converge. Right now, gold is trading in this zone, and thus I expect 70 to 75 levels certainly going to provide a maximum resistance. Stochastic rising, look at the hourly charts here. MACD has hit a bottom and now it is trading with divergence looking upwards. Possibly it could try to retrace further up. RSI rising, volumes have started to come in, coming to 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, you can find out higher lows are seen. Also, one must note that see 4 to 5 candles getting support here at 2062 levels. We have to wait for it to break below these levels in order to confirm a selling entry. Also, one must note, see consistently we have seen multiple candles getting resistance, and these last two candles moving on the upside, a flat top 2071, 2072 levels, giving it a good resistance. So also one must note rise, retracement, and now looking upwards, it can lead to a second bullish wave here on the 2 hour charts. Stochastic rising, look at MACD, sharper drop, now trying to converge, possibly a crossover can bring bullishness. RSI rising, volumes are lower here. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour chart, see how many candles getting support, forming a strong base here, 2062 levels. None of the candles closed below 2062. And with that as support, we are seeing this rise. Now remember, whenever you see multiple candles forming a strong base, it always leads to a little rise, and that is what we can see here. But right now it is still forming lower highs, lower lows. Thus wait for it to break beyond 2075 and 2080 levels in order to confirm further rise here. If you look at stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here, crossover for a buying entry. RSI rising. Coming to 4 hour chart. Likewise on the 4 hour chart, see we can find out this was the bullish zone. Prices converged towards 20 and 50 period moving average. Now looking upwards again. Bullish sign it is. After the drop, after the retracement, it is looking upwards. And we have to wait for it to just stay above 2075, 2080 zone in order to confirm reversal. Also, one must note that moving averages are still running parallel and are still trading bullish. Stochastic is rising. MACD, now look at MACD, it was trading with divergence, just trying to converge a bit, means couple of greener candles. It suggests that, see, unless and until it crosses over, which means it has to stay above 2080 levels, 2075 levels in order to confirm a reversal. What will happen? Couple of greener candles, it will try to converge, and if it is bearish without crossover, it can continue to trade on the downside. RSI is rising, and if you look at the daily, now before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, enroll in my 28th mentorship batch starting second week of January. Register yourself now itself. Do not miss this opportunity. Enroll in the learning journey and equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategy in the year 2024, which can help you trade with confidence. Reach out to me for more details or visit my platform www.forexfunda.com. This platform has much more to offer, be it the economic calendar, be it the charts where you have advanced tools and strategies, and also you have a community of trader along with the option for you to give a call to me. You can schedule an appointment with me for a discussion. And we have a great offer where we have a webinar series every Sunday. You can enroll in this webinar series. This comes with 2 additional free consultations with me. Do visit the platform www.forexfunda.com for more details. All the links are there in the channel. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, join my signals channel on Telegram. Now look at the daily chart, certainly forming the support here. It is trying to reverse flat top, it is rising. But remember what we are looking forward to. We have to wait unless and until it forms a breakout beyond the double top levels, that is 2075. It is above 2075, we can say that the prices are reversing. Now once it stays above 2075, see what has happened. One must note higher lows, higher highs. So it is staying in this bullish channel, and a break below 2060 is where we can confirm that the prices are turning bearish. We have to just confirm that this previous candle has to be overtaken, the highs are to be overtaken or the lows are to be overtaken. Once these two are taken, you can say either the prices are turning bullish or bearish. As long as these are respected, possibly it is trying to consolidate. Remember, it is trying to retrace, forming a double top. Prices might reverse, and as long as 2075 or in fact 2080 is not breached, we can expect prices can reverse any point of time. Also, one must note why prices can reverse any point of time is look at the 20 period moving average, look at the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands right now sitting at around 2048, 2038 levels. This is the zone where it has maximum support. And also on the daily charts, prices have seen good divergence. Now see, here was one divergence, prices converge. Now second divergence, prices might try to converge. Also, one must look at on the daily chart. See here, this is the original channel in which it is trading. Eliminate this breakout, and once you see this channel, the support levels are far below at 2000. Stochastic has dropped. MACD was trading with divergence, it is trying to converge. This is a bearish sign. A crossover here can lead to bearishness. RSI flat, and the volumes have just started to drop in. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2072.5 levels or 2072 levels. Somewhere here at 72, 72.5 you can buy, but then wait for it to break beyond 2075. As long as 2075 is not taken, prices can reverse from 74, 74.5, 75. It will fetch you 20, 30 points, pips. But then beyond 2075 is what I will look forward to, 2070. 8.5 2080 zone, that is the next resistance level, and only if prices stays above 2080, you can say now gold has reversed and it is continuing to rally on the upside. Beyond 2080, do not think of selling gold. We are looking forward to 2100 and plus levels in this week itself. Right now it appears the day has just started. We will definitely watch out for possibility of a reversal adjust and where to sell if the price is reversed. Yes, you can sell somewhere here at 2062, 2062.5 levels. Now, once the prices stays below 2062, 62.5, we can expect 2058 as the first support, and below 2058 is where modest bearishness can be observed. Below 2058, this time I will be looking forward to 2048 levels as the first target. Yes, there will be a strong possibility that below 2058 we can see bearishness here in gold. We can look forward to 2048, 2040, and then below that more bearishness may prevail in the coming few sessions where you can expect it to move towards further lows. Take your positions accordingly. Stay tuned with the more updates. Next update before the US session will add more meaning to the trading decisions with the US session. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, and comment is a great motivation, inspiration for me. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my webinar series, visit platform forexhonda.com or free Telegram channel for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.